Hey y'all. This is Voice Paul, the voice of NOAA Weather Radio, on behalf of CXP EAS 05 Media Network, and more. Do you want to consider giving CXP more subscriber milestones? Or are you busy doing some random brainrot memes on your phone, or any other devices? Actually, don't do the toilet cringe. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any
Oh, well done, Miami.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular
Alright.
the NOAA Weather Radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the same program, contact your local National Weather Service office. Miles an hour. Southeast winds 10 to 15 knots.
No, we're on TBW. There we go.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. Proceeding to NOAA to test of the public warning alarm transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the SAFE system, or Specific Area Message Encoder. The SAFE system will alert only the county areas affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. Proceeding to NOAA to test of the public warning and alarm transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the SAME system, or Specific Area Message Encoder. The SAME system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather is threatened. This concludes the monthly test. We now return to regular programming.
There we go. Oh, there we go.
This is normal weather radio. The 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal will be public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Western Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert. This is normal weather radio. The 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties